we have here is a, I believe 2005 or 2008 350 Honda Rancher. I bought it in an estate auction with the carburetor missing because it had gotten dirty and wouldn't start, and one thing or another they lost the carburetor. So I put one on it, a cheap Amazon one, and it worked for about a year, but it became hard to start. Once you get it running, it was fine, but it's really difficult to get it started. So this is what it does. You crank it forever and it won't start. So I ordered another different brand of knockoff carburetor for it. We're going to throw that on it and see if that fixes the problem. If not, it may be for sale shortly.
The removal of carburetor section did not save. So enjoy this bunny eating some dandelions. Oh look, it's out.
Chineseium. So, since the gas valve would not shut off and it continued to run the whole time we were taking the carburetor off, we're just going to let it go ahead and flush all this older gas out and flush the tank and the line out before we put the new carburetor on it. I know in today's market, you know, this is $8 or $10 of liquid gold. So, but for me, not having to change the carburetor again, get rid of some old gas from its setting, well worth the expense.
You reckon he's a happy boy doing this?
Yeah, so
sunshine?
the installation section did not either. Enjoy this chunky butt.
He is.
Turn the idle up just there.
Alright, so let's test it out. Something doesn't seem right still, but he'll get it lined out.
Really?
I doubt you learned anything since I dropped the ball with parts of the removal and installation process. But thanks for watching.